Time to walk home. It's getting crowded.
A little outfit change, but still in the spirit of St. Patrick's Day. Today marks 1 year of the new normal for us. Last year was the last time we've ever stepped foot in a Chicago restaurant. My restaurant and happenings in the Philippines did not count because I needed to, because I lived in a hotel there. But yeah, 1 year ago today, we were at a restaurant, not knowing that that was going to be the last time we'd be going to a restaurant for a long, long time. And we're still not dining in restaurants. We're still just doing takeouts. So that's what we're doing right now, picking up our St. Patty's Day celebration.
Oh, hi, I'm picking up an order for Angel. This 6-pack. Thank you. Alright, we're home. He has to sit down so we can both fit in the screen. And my trusty knife and fork. Because yes, I will still fork and knife the donuts.
Let's get weird.
Let's take it out of the box. Oh, yeah. Now you can see it much clearer. Much clearer. So this is the mint something, this thing. And then this is the Irish whiskey. This is the chocolate sprinkle. That's it. Vanilla marble. I guess this one. This one is the vanilla marble. And then the Bailey's coffee. I'm really excited about that. And the chocolate stout is this one. So let's give this a try. Which one should we try first?
Start from one end, work your way over.
Okay. Let's start with the green.
Okay.
Because it's St. Party Day. In Chicago, on St. Patrick's Day weekend, everyone is Irish, or as they say, Shirish. Which one is this?
Irish whiskey?
It doesn't taste like Irish or whiskey. It's just delicious. Here, give it a try. I'm gonna get some water.
Okay. Just a simple donut done well.
It is a good donut, but I don't taste the whiskey, or I don't taste any Irish people in it.
Taste the green.
Next is, ooh, this one was the Bailey's coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's see. This one was what I was so excited about. It's very inclusive. It's the rainbow. Hopefully all this green will bring us a lot of luck.
Is that how it works?
Can really taste the coffee flavor in that. So good. just eating all the frosting that's dropping.
Yeah. That one you can taste more Irish coffee.
Alright, good. Next is the vanilla. So I'm just not expecting it to taste anything but vanilla. Vanilla marble. Let's see if it tastes like marble. Oh, it's green! Look, 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 look. It's green. Oh, that's actually really good. It's a cake donut. That is good. I mean, it's sweet, but not too sweet.
Yeah, I can taste the vanilla, and it has the little bits of, I guess that would be the marble. They're kind of like small dot sprinkles.
Tastes like marble. Such delicious marble. Now let's flip it around. I think we'll save this for last because it's the luckiest of them all. It's got money. Well, let's put this. So this is the chocolate stout.
Okay.
I don't know what a stout tastes like. It tastes like chocolate
Coffee and cream. I don't know.
and a fried donut. That's all I taste. It's not bad. It's good. Just waiting for that Guinness feeling. But just, yeah. Okay, here.
Stout is just like chocolate and coffee and beer. And it calls itself a stout, but it's got the faintest flavor of it.
Well, I don't know what a stout tastes like. I just know a stout is a beer. And it tastes like a beer.
It's definitely not my favorite kind of beer.
But I'll eat it in donut form. This one now is the just the chocolate sprinkles. So let's see if it tastes like chocolate or sprinkles. Ooh, it's green again. I like colorful food. Wait, this is healthy because it's green food.
Yeah. Something green with every meal.
I'll let
You're
our
good.
trainer know. We were eating a lot of greens. Hey, a chocolate drop, but I mean, the true test is the donut. Oh, that is good. I like that one. Mm-hmm. I don't want to laugh too hard. I feel like there's like just donut all over me.
What do you know? That's the best one.
Oh, not we're not done yet.
So far,
We are not done yet. This thing's got chocolate in it. We are saving the best for last. The one with the golden coin. Should we just eat the coin and foil and everything?
yeah. I mean, that's how you retain the luck.
There's a chocolate coin, or this way. A little bit of luck for later. Really like when they say mint, I want it to be like minty, like I'm brushing my teeth with it. I'm weird. I think in every video I tell you guys that. Oh no. There's no mint. There's no mint. Here, see if I have COVID and I can't taste the mint.
Okay. I mean, if there is mint, gonna have to be in the first one. I taste some.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
We have a problem.
Yeah.
I couldn't taste it. Well, again, I like my mint donuts.
We can put some toothpaste on it.
Yes.
If you want.
Dip it in mouthwash. It'd be delicious. Alright.
Yeah, as long as it has alcohol in the mouthwash.
Ooh, yeah. That would really make it.
That would go along with the theme.
Yes, definitely. Alright. Final verdict. Who wins the donut battle? Which one wins? First place goes to. Let's see it together. See if it's together.
Okay.
Which one's your first place?
You already know which one I voted for.
Well, okay, I vote for the chocolate sprinkle as well. This one. This one wins. And what's your second place?
Vanilla marble.
I was torn between this one and this one. And being that it's St. Patty's Day, I will just let the green one win. But it's also green on the inside. Okay, flavor-wise, I guess. Oh my god, it's a tie. So I'll pick the what is this? Bailey's and coffee. Yeah.
Millions of leprechauns' lives are depending on this decision.
Yes. So yes, we'll say this is a tie between these two. Alright, there you have it. We'll go walk around and see if we find any more food we're gonna try. If it's not crowded like it's 2019.
Later that same evening.
We are gonna be looking for coronavirus in the time of St. Patrick's Day. The buildings green because it feels like I'm in the Wizard of Oz. I'm here to see the wizard. Tell people where we're going.
We're going to JoJo's milkshake bar.
Maybe. Or just looking for chaos. What?
He wants to fucking stab someone. The lovely taste of Chicago.
Uh-huh. I don't need it. And that's it for St. Party Day weekend. It's a rainy St. Patrick's Day.
We are off to get some St. Patrick's Day treats down on our lounge. Happy St. Party Day, Patrick. It's St. Patrick's Day. Slaint.
Am I supposed to be?
Yes. Slaint.